No empty smoke, no careless word. Tonight, even Babylon, hear the chalice roar. Before dear light touch the mountain stone, we gather with a purpose, every heart full grown. Roots man carry memory, Babylon couldn't burn. Every breath of truth make the sleeping spirit turn. Them build them wall and call captivity peace. Oppression from the people never ready for cease. When the baseline walk through the zinc fence yard, the chalice find a voice and the guys strike hard. Hear the chalice roar, rolling like thunder. Wake every soul, Babylon push under. Fire bring truth, no hatred, no war. When justice starts speak, hear the chalice roar. Can't feel labor mark grandfather hand, still implant hope deep inside the land. Mama save seed through the season of drought. Teach every youth what survival about. No merchant can measure what creation provide. No judge can bury what the poor testify. From Kingston Lane to the hills afar, one conscious vibration make the darkness withdraw. Let the chalice roar louder than fear. Call back the ones Babylon disappear. Wisdom stand firm where the brave ones are. Roots never surrender when the chalice roar. Some chase the glitter till them spirit turn cold. Sell out them brethren for a pocket of gold. But the leaf remind where life come from style. Nothing worth keeping comes without tile. Meditation clear every fog from this sight. Show false friendship hiding out a light. We carry no weapon, only rhythm and word. Still every corrupt throne feel the message heard. Get your drum answer when they fund the call. Bass drum shake every courthouse wall. Truth need no uniform, proud knock ya. Creation bear witness when the chalice roar. Now morning break over river and plain. Children step forward through the residue of pain. Them inherit courage, not shackles and shame. Each one a keeper of the ancestral flame. Let kindness guide power and discipline steer. Let no hungry neighbor go forgotten round here. From the first drum beat to the final guitar, your people stand free when the chalice roar. Make the chalice roar, kill oppression with drum. Make the drum declare one righteous law. No chain, no bribe, no prison bar. Truth shall lead forever, and the chalice shall roar. Hey! Thunder movies, baseline remain. The chalice still speaking, long after the smoke clear away. Soft breeze cross the hillside, concerned beyond the trees. Listen close, Kaya call no heart fi wonder. Kaya call the mind fi see. On the yam leaf green, sunlight reveal what darkness never mean. Old farmer rise with earth beneath him nail, carrying tomorrow in a weather beaten pail. No hurry in him foot beside him plan. He measure every blessing by the good it bring to man. A quiet vice move where the cedar branches stall. Put away distraction and answer Kaya call. Kaya call, come reason clean. Remember who you are and what your life must mean. Kaya call, stand humble, stand tall. Wisdom is the answer when you hear Kaya call. Oh, down beside the river where the washing stone lay. Mother share the burden at the opening of day. One bring cassava, one bring healing tea. One watch every child like a branch of one tree. Them know true freedom need a discipline, and love without duty cannot strengthen any land. So when temptation dress itself in garments bright, Kaya call the conscience to examine wrong from right. Kaya call, let division cease. Carry two together and cultivate peace. Kaya call before the weakest fall. Community must gather when they hear Kaya call. City nice, promise riches, but it charge a heavy fee. Plenty lose them roots, chasing what them eyes can see. Them forget the neighbor and the elders at the gate. Till loneliness arrive when the hour grow late. But a melody from home travel through the evening air. Remind the absent-hearted that them still have love to share. Turn back from vanity before your spirit stall. There is purpose in the distance when you hear Kaya call. No chain pon the mind, no fog pon the sight. Reason with patience underneath the lantern light. Melabika cry while the night shadows fall. Every honest heartbeat can answer Kaya call. Oh. Plant breadfruit where the waste grown stood, repairing broken fences and restoring neighborhood. One teach the letters, one rebuild the well, one sing the history that the school book never tell. Kaya never call we for abandon daily care. It call we for awaken and make the burden fair. With clean hands and courage we shall serve one and all. A responsible generation has answer Kaya call. Kaya call, let integrity lead. Give the hungry nourishment, give the future seed. Kaya call, from the valley to the hall. We rise with understanding when we answer Kaya call. Oh, can't shade beyond the hill. Oh, can't shade beyond the hill. Can't shade beyond the hill. Can't fade 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 beyond the hill. Them search the yard, them question the people, them try to silence every honest tongue. But courage never leave. Fire there. Them lock up the classroom and remove every book. Still the youth learn truth from the elders look. Them muddy up the river and fence off the spring. Still rain fall freely on every living thing. Them tell the poor fi wait while the rich man feast. But hunger turn whisper to a voice in the street. No flame of destruction, no revenge we declare. A fire of conscience, and the fire there, burning through the light. Fire there, lifting courage high. Them can hide the evidence and silence every prayer, but truth keep blazing. Yes, the fire there. Sister carry baskets from the market in the sun. Raise 4 children when the day work done. Landlord bring pressure, politician bring chat. Neither one remember where the sufferers are. Still she shares supper with the old man next door. devotion into enough for four. Her strength need no headline decoration or fanfare. Look become a furnace and the fire there. Fire there inside the humble heart. Fire there where resistance start. Not a flame fi wound but a light fi make we care. Justice keep rising because the fire there. Prophet arrive in a borrowed royal robe, selling empty visions while him travel round the globe. Him promise liberation with a contract and a fee, but a rooted congregation recognize hypocrisy. Them beat the fundy steady and examine every claim. For a tree without good fruit, only borrowing a name. When wisdom guard the doorway, deception can't stay there. Discernment strike the darkness and the fire there. Petty and Sabia's drum, hear the heartbeat run. One section testify beneath the evening sun. No petrol, no weapon, no violence we prepare. Knowledge is the flame and the fire there. No the mason and the farmer stand beside the nurse. Teacher bring the lesson while the poet bring the verse. Fisherman and carpenter assemble in the square. Each one bring a talent, each one take a share. Them rebuild the pathway when neglected left a scar. Showing unity possess a strength greater than war. Let Babylon remember when them trouble and despair with spirit cannot freeze. Fire, fire there, fire there. Let righteousness arise. Fire there, open every eye. No tyrant can extinguish what creation place in our care. From generation to generation, the fire there.
Night settle upon the boardhouse roof. Lantern low, drum silent, but something still speaking. Listen. Steam talk.
Above the breadfruit tree, four elders reason where the young ones can see. No boasting at the table, no careless tongue compete. Only measured words moving slowly with the beat. One recall the harbor when the wages disappear. One remember soldiers marching heavy through the square. What official paper bury and the headlines never talk. Rise inside the silence when the sacred steam talk. Steam talk, soft but clear. Carry old remembrance to a new generation here. Steam talk, truth cannot be bought. When the room grow quiet, hear the rising steam talk. Grandmother unwrap one photograph from long ago. Faces without names that the children need to know. She point toward the woman with determination bright. Your bloodline cross the hardship and preserve a little light. No monument remember how she sheltered 7 souls, or how she shared cassava when drought emptied the bowls. But memory find a path where no authority can block. Her story breathe again when the evening steam talk. Steam talk through the aging wall. Name every forgotten one and dignity them all. Steam talk unlock every thought. History regain its voice when the rising steam talk. Young man enter trouble with resentment in him chest, certain that revenge alone could put him pain to rest. The elders never shame him, them allow him words to land. Then show him how a wounded heart can wound another hand. Melodic answer gently while he fund him mark the time. Teaching that a righteous road need patience in decline. Him leave with clearer vision than the anger he had brought. Healing start with reasoning when the sacred steam talk. Bassline drop low, echo cross the floor. One honest question open up a hidden door. No shouting, no judgment, no wisdom over rock. Just conscience drawing nearer while the rising steam talk. Dawn begin to color every shutter's ink and stone. Each person leave the gathering with a duty of them own. One will teach the children, one repair the broken drain. One will visit neighbors who live lonely through the rain. Reason without action is an unfinished song. So them carry what them learn and turn the knowledge into strong. From the chalice to the community, a living purpose brought. Truth become tomorrow after hearing steam talk. Steam talk, let remembrance rise. Clear away deception from the people, them eyes. Steam talk, until every lesson sought turns to righteous action when the sacred steam talk. What I settle, morning enter, steam disappear, but the message remains.
One bell ring, let you open. Every hidden figure coming into light. Babylon tremble. Aye. Aye. Market woman notice every way them alter. That work a record every missing crate pan harbor. Clerk save the pages, them command him fi destroy. Teacher mark the names of every absent hungry boy. Truth gather slowly like a river after rain. Joining every witness and connecting every pain. When facts stand together, propaganda start to crumble. No army touch the street yet Babylon tremble. Babylon tremble when the evidence speak. When the strong defend the weary and the many guard the weak. Every polished promise turn to gravel and rubble. People stand united, make Babylon tremble. Hey! Hey, aye. Hey, aye, 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 aye. Yeah. Rain tries again while the tenement decay. Pipe dry for a month, still them send a bill fi pay. Councillor arrive with him smile and motor car. Claim him serve the district but him never know this car. Residents assemble underneath the almond tree. Write down every grievance so the whole wide world can see. Them voices stay disciplined, them purpose firm and humble. One community awaken, make Babylon tremble. When the sufferers unite, when patience go to action and the records come to light. No bribe can divide them, no threat can cause them stumble. Justice find a backbone, make Babylon tremble. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah, 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 yeah. Hey, yeah. Them send a smoothing farmer with a flattering embrace. Hoping him could scatter out and mash up every case. But wisdom test the message and integrity test the man. A movement built on truth must understand who hold the plan. No rumor guide the meeting, no anger take command. Every choice considered before the people raise the man. When discipline protect them, manipulation fumble. Conscience guard the doorway, make Babylon tremble. Hey. Bass drum strike once, hear the courtroom shake. Fund they keep account of every choice they make. No firebomb, no cutlass, no lawless trouble. Organization alone can make Babylon tremble. Yeah, yeah. Babylon tremble. documents prepared. Farmer beside carpenter, every testimony shared. Nurse described the sickness from the water in the lane. Mother showed the ceiling where the roof let in the rain. Even silent officials start admitting what them know. For truth become a forest when each little witness grow. No throne can stand forever upon exploitation rubble. The people claim them dignity and Babylon tremble. Babylon tremble and Babylon tremble. Babylon tremble. Hear the righteous footsteps come, led by truth and courage to the heartbeat of the drum. No hatred in our spirit, but oppression meet trouble when the people know them power. Every Babylon tremble. Bell ring twice. Ledger remain open. Truth now retreat. Babylon tremble. No jewel from a palace, no gold from a mine. The crown of understanding grow through patience and time. On the hillside where the cool mist rests, a seed keeper labor with devotion in him chest. Him never seek attention, never boast about him name. Every living root receive respect from him the same. Him study moon and rainfall, know the language of the ground. Understand that true abundance must be carefully passed down. When him lift the sacred leaf beneath the morning sun, Sensi Crown him gently, not above, but among everyone. Sensi Crown rest light upon the wise. No vanity within it, no deception in disguise. Wear it with humility and keep your spirit sound. Service to creation is the meaning of the crown. Merchant reached the district with a suitcase full of notes, promising quick fortune through the contracts that him wrote. Him wanted every acre and the knowledge of the seed, planning how he package up tradition into greed. But the farmers read the fine print and refuse the crooked plan. For heritage is greater than the riches in hand. Them protect the ancient practice from the buyer passing round. Dignity them armor and integrity them crown. Sensi Crown cannot purchase in a store. It belongs to those who honor every root and every pore. No contract on creation, no monopoly profound. Guard the people's heritage and worthy wear the crown. Young dread grow impatient, want respect before him earn. Want the front seat at the table before him stop and learn. Elder tell him leadership is more than how you dress. It is carrying another when them life fall under stress. So him work beside the mason, clear the pathway after rain, bring provision to the widow and repair her window pane. Month by month him go soft in purpose, become sound through service. erosion, safe for planting, more enduring than gold. Children learn the names of plants and why the soil need care. How taking without giving leaves destruction everywhere. No throne above the valley, no subject kneeling down. Only equal lands preserving what creation place around. When wisdom guide the future and humility abound, every conscious generation shall inherit Sensi Crown. Sensi Crown. Let responsibility reign. Protect the earth in sunshine and restore it after rain. No pride, no exploitation, no injustice shall surround. Jah wisdom serve the people, and the people wear the crown. Hand bell ring, hand bell ring, hand bell ring, hand bell ring. No king above creation, only guardians of the ground. Sensi Crown, Sensi Crown.
Bring the old clay pot, bring the farmer's ledger, bring the names of those them carry away. If mankind refuse the truth, let the herb testify. Before sunrise, boots around the hillside gate. Them tear through the garden with destruction in them way. Farmers stand in silence while them scatter every seed, calling sacred custom nothing more than criminal weed. Them never ask the village how the tradition came, never learn the prayers or the discipline it named. Them carry him to town beneath a cold and cloudless sky, but every root them trample make the herb testify. Herb testify. Tell them where you grow, tell them about the generations and the knowledge that them know. Herb testify. Truth them can't deny. When the people lose them voice, may the herb testify. Courtroom fan turn slowly, judge examine every page. Prosecutor paint the farmer like a danger to the age. Then grandmother rise with 70 years inside her face. Speak of persecution and the strength it couldn't erase. She tell them no tradition stand above responsibility, but justice cannot flourish through selective cruelty. The gallery grow quiet, even proud officials sigh. People's living history make the herb testify. Herb testify. Separate truth from shame. Punish harmful action, not a culture or a name. Herb testify. Lift the question high. Can a law be called righteous when the herb testify? One youth claim the chalice as an excuse for disregard every daily duty waiting in him mother's yard. Elder call him closer, sacred freedom, the control. Anything you use without good sense can overtake your soul. Meditation must produce a more responsible mind. Babe, you serve your family and treat humanity kind. The youth correct him pathway, put him careless ways aside. Discipline and balance make the herb testify. Harmonita cry like a witness in pain. Fund the beat steady like the tapping of rain. No reckless celebration, no convenient lie. Tradition walk with duty when the herb testify. Season turn again and green, return to wounded ground. Neighbors share them knowledge without selling it around. Them document the stories that were nearly swept away.
Teach the young to question every prejudice them say. Farmer leave the courthouse with him dignity restored. Not because the powerful suddenly find a card, but a community stood firm and refused to let truth die. From root to future harvest, hear the herb testify. Let integrity be heard. Let justice judge the action, not the culture or the word. Testify. Underneath the open sky, truth shall outlive persecution. Make the herb testify. Gavel strike once, harmony cancer. Case never close. The roots remember.
Cloud gather over the mountain spine. Bird wing turn home. River wade beneath the stone. Listen now. Thunder roll. Hey! Hey! Long dry season leave the hillside gray. Big machine arrive and cut the cedar away. Company man promise work and progress for all. Then him fence off the pathway where the spring water fall. Yeah. Dust cover the schoolyard, stone choke the drain. Old people watch the sky and quietly call rain. First slow warning travel from the mountain to the shoal. Creation clear its truth and the thunder start roll. Thunder roll over valley and town. Tell every careless hand fi put the weaponized machine down. Thunder roll, creation taking toll. What you wound upon the earth shall return when thunder rolls. River carry color that no river should bear. Fisher pull an empty net and feel trouble in the air. Children ask them parents why the water smells strange. Oh, why the frogs stop singing since the factory arranged. Officials bring a folder full of figures and excuse, but numbers cannot hide what a village daily lose. Lightning write a warning from the treetop to the pole. No document can silence when the heavy thunder roll. Thunder roll, make the hidden damage known. Every poison stream connect to every human bone. Thunder roll, wake the conscience of the soul. Land and life remember when the righteous thunder roll. Farmer plant a barrier where the naked hillside slide. Youth remove the rubbish gathering by the riverside. Carpenter build channels feed direct the coming rain. Woman farmer council and demand clean water again. No waiting for a savior in a distant office chair. Them begin the restoration with the little them can share. Fundy keep them moving while them lay back what the gold. Hope become a rhythm and I need the thunder roll. Rain strike sing, kit drum reply. Roots grip style while the storm move by. Take only what you need, restore what you control. That is creation's covenant inside the thunder roll.
damage still remains. One night cannot repair what greed destroy for gain. Still breadfruit hold firm where the young roots brace the land. Rivers start run clearer through the work of many hands. Them bow to guard the watershed and teach each child its word. For no profit can replace a living piece of earth. From the smallest seeding to the oldest mountain soul, a new generation listen when the thunder roll. Thunder roll, let responsibility rise. God, the hills beneath your feet and the rivers from the mines. Thunder roll, till restoration is the goal. Creation shall be honored every time the thunder roll. Hey, hey, thunder roll. Star move east, drums grow still. One bird sing above the river, but the warning remains. Set pride outside when every excuse disappear. Truth remain in the smoke. Man preach unity loud in the public square, but him brother need assistance and him never reach there. Him quote liberation with a finger in the air, then disrespect the woman who prepare him daily fare. When evening bring reflection and the crowded room depart, no applause remain for cover contradiction in him heart. The chalice draw a mirror where no flattering word can cloak. Him see one behavior through the truth in a smoke. Truth in a smoke. Show me what fi mean. Show me where me action never match the words me send. Truth in a smoke. Strip away the joke. A conscious life begin when truth arise in a smoke. Hey, me used to blame the system for each promise me neglect, demanding from the world what me refuse to give respect. Me envy every neighbor when them harvest season come. Never count the wasted days me spend avoiding what must done. Then the bass line turn inward and the trumpet call me name. Ask if every outside force alone deserve the blame. No priest or politician force the careless for me broke. Accountability meet me through the truth in a smoke. Truth in a smoke. Make me judgment fear. Teach me fi correct myself before me pint elsewhere. Truth in a smoke. Every false defense revoke. Freedom need responsibility. Truth in a smoke. Friend alright with sweet talk and a profitable designs. Every idle little money and pretend the work is fine. Hold, me might have follow thinking no one never know, but conscience start fi trouble every step me plan fi go. Me return the missing portion and withdraw me willing and for a crooked little shark could soon become a sinking sand. Integrity breathe easier when temptation lose it yoke. A clearer road appear through the truth in a smoke. Symbol keep ticking like a clock on the wall. Every hidden child shall answer when consequences call. No meditation useful if good character stay broke. Reason must become action after truth in a smoke. Now, let me speak more softly and me listen twice as long. Make prepare with those me injure when me arrogance was strong. Me keep the small commitments that no audience applaud. For private acts of goodness prove the public message broad. Me still confront oppression and expose the wicked scheme, but me wash me own hands before me enter in the stream. No perfect man stand singing, only one who finally woke, learning daily discipline from the truth in a smoke. Truth in a smoke. Keep me purpose clean. Let me conduct, carry everything me testimony mean. Truth in a smoke. Till hypocrisy is broke. Change the heart, then change the world. Truth in a smoke. branch. Sun can dry the ground, but anything rooted in truth, not surrender easy. Leave no bow. Through the week, still it all a living color when the strongest branch look weak. Root travel through the gravel, find a hidden line of rain. Turn the pressure of the season into discipline through pain. It may bend beneath the weather, but when morning light allow, it rise again toward the heavens. Because believe no bow, leave no bow. Though the wicked wind blow, root hold firm in the earth below. Leave no bow, make the whole world know. Pressure test the spirit, but the rooted ones grow. Move them roof and bed. Him wave a piece of paper like it greater than them years. Never count the graves nearby or generations' tears. Neighbor call to neighbor, every family gather round. Search the land history, connected to the ground. Them answer without violence, with the evidence them show. They may shake beneath the pressure, but the people never bow. Leave no bow. When exploitation call, one root join another, build a sheltering wall. Leave no bow. Even when the tall tree fall, dignity keeps standing through the trial of fall. For money, if the singer change him tone, leave out talk of justice, sing of pleasure all alone. Promise foreign travel, tailor suit and shining car. If him turn him back on every struggle, near and far. Singer touch the earth and hear him conscience answer plain. A voice without a purpose is an instrument in chain. Him refuse the golden muzzle and return before the crow. The song may lose promotion, but the message never bow. Funny keep courage, moving through the night. Bend if you must, but remember your vow. Survival is resistance, unbelief no bow. Youth return the next day with a shovel and a seed, not to worship suffering, but to answer what them need. Them restore the shadow garden and repair the meeting hall. Paint the names of every elder on the newly strengthened wall. Rain arrive at sunset, wash the red mark from the door. Little leaf on the hillside, lift its color even more. From the rooting to the future, one declaration song. Anything planted in a truth shall never bow down. Leave no bow. Let the righteous roots expand. Leave no bow. Hold your culture and your life. shall leave shall never bow. We move on. We move on. One green leaf remains, still facing the sky.
Day work finish. Sun rests behind the hill. Before night carry we separate ways. Gather close and light the chalice.
Farmer wash the red earth from the lines upon him hand. Fisher pull him little boat above the evening sun. Teacher close the schoolroom, nurse complete her final round. Each one bring them burden to the old familiar ground. No rank around the table, every voice receive a place. Lantern show the tired truth written in each face. Before them share the reasoning or open any malice, them give thanks for life and gently light the chalice. Light the chalice, let gratitude begin. Release the heavy grievance you've been carrying within. Light the chalice, make resentment vanish. One heart join another when we light the chalice. Two brethren sit apart from an argument last week. Both prepare an answer, but neither ready yet to speak. Elder pour some water and allow the room to breathe. Say pride can turn a small offense to chains around your sleeve. One admit him harshness, one confess him judgment fast. Them repair the broken trust instead of guarding what had passed. Handshake cross the table without victory or malice. Peace become the offering when them light the chalice. Light the chalice, let forgiveness have a voice. Making peace is courage and a disciplined choice. Light the chalice, leave no wound unbalanced. Community grows stronger when we light the chalice. One empty chair remind them of a friend no far away, forced to seek a livelihood beyond the island bay. Them speak him name with honor and remember what him gave. How him rebuild the footbridge after one destructive wave. A letter from the harbor say him still dream of home. Still hear the Nyabinghi wherever he may roam. Flugelhorn carry longing with a tender golden solace. Distance lose its power when we light the chalice. Get a drum whisper, fund the answer slow. Make every thankful spirit like a quiet river flow. No careless meditation, and no irresponsible practice. Wisdom guide the gathering when we light the chalice. Before the people leave, them choose the work for coming down. Repair the widow's rooftop where the zinc sheet nearly gone. Save a share of harvest for the family in need. Teach the children history and prepare the winter seed. Prayer without good action is a lamp without a flame. So each one take a duty and remember every name. Moonrise over rooftops while them shoulder every challenge. Purpose guide them footsteps after them light the chalice. Light the chalice, let responsibility shine. Honor every neighbor and protect creation's design. Light the chalice, keep love in perfect balance. Give thanks, forgive and serve whenever we light the chalice. Lantern dim, the gathering end, but the purpose travel on.
Before you answer in anger, pause. Before you follow fear, look within. Surface water carry noise, but wisdom live deep. One careless word strike hard in the middle of the day. Me temporize quickly and prepare for answer same way. But me leave the crowded corner, find a quiet piece of shade. Ask if another injury is the progress to be made. Me listen past the heartbeat, past the argument me form, till me recognize the wounded pride producing every storm. What felt like strength a moment was a weakness taking lead. So me cool the burning impulse and me meditate deep beneath the surface sound. Find the hidden root before you pull the branches down. Meditate deep. Let your judgment wake from sleep. Clarity will meet you when you meditate deep. Oh. Some fear me carry forward never start inside of me. It traveled through the family from a painful history. Grandfather learned to whisper when authority pass by. Mother learned to worry when a siren cross the sky. Now me body hear the danger even when no danger near. All survival memory still disguise itself as fear. Me I know what protected them, but choose what I shall keep. Healing generations when me meditate deep. Meditate deep. Separate the now from then. Give respect to memory without becoming chained again. Meditate deep. Where ancestral shadows sleep, understanding bring release when you meditate deep. Before me with no sign for mark the best. One half a quick reward while one demand a patient test. Friends insist me hurry saying chances disappear, but urgency can imitate a vice you need fear. Me examine every promise and the cost behind the gain. Whether it will serve the people or produce another chain. Me refuse the shining bargain with a consequence too steep. Purpose On the mark time, bamboo flute reply. Cloud of doubt move slowly from the window of the eye. Quiet is not weakness and reflection is not sleep. Prepare for righteous action when you meditate deep.
Know me right from contemplation, with that duty in me hand. For thought without good action never strengthen any land. Me return and speak with patience to the one who cause offense. Set a boundary without hatred, keep me dignity and sense. Then me join the neighborhood to clear the black canal. Turning private understanding into service for us all. No retreat from daily struggle, no escape me plan for seek. Me enter life more ready cause me meditate deep.
Meditate deep.
Then I rise and do what's right, carry inner understanding into every public fight.
Meditate deep.
Make your purpose strong, not weak. Wisdom turn to action when the people meditate deep. Heartbeat slow, silence speak, and the mind return clear. Branch may cross the fence, seed may travel far, but when memory water the ground, roots hold firm. Grandmother yard sit where the two dirt pathway meet. Guava shade the doorway from the heavy midday heat. Every Sunday family bring a portion from them field. No one leave the table till the smallest belly fill. She teach them names of people who had cultivated there, how them faced hard seasons and survived by what them share. House may lean with weather, beard may peel beneath the sun, but roots hold firm where generations live as one. Roots hold firm, though the branches travel wide. Carry home within you, like a river at your side. Roots hold firm, through every changing tide. Know where you're coming from and walk the world with pride. Work becomes scarce, so the family moved to town. Trade the open hillside for a room with traffic sound. Father drive a minibus, mother stitch till late. Children learn to navigate the city's crowded gate. Still them cook the old time food and reason every night. Still them greet the neighbor and defend what them know right. New road shape them footsteps, but them values never run. Roots hold firm beneath the Kingston concrete sun. Roots hold firm when surroundings rearrange. Culture is a compass, not a prison against change. Roots hold firm while the new days come. Carry what is righteous and release what cause harm. Eldest daughter travel where the winter whitened street. Cold wind replace the island doors beneath her tired feet. She work a double shift and send a little money, oh, sing familiar melodies whenever she feel alone. Later she make friendship with the people living near. Share them different stories over food and She never close her spirit, yet remember where she's from. Roots hold firm, while every human branch become one. Ha, ha, hand clap mark the time. Old truth meet new language and produce another rhyme. A root is not a chain and tradition not a gun. It give you strength to flourish underneath another sun. Years later, young ones visit grandmother resting place. Some speak broad patois, some with accents interlaced. Them plant a breadfruit sapling where the farmer doorway stood. Promise to preserve the loving things them culture understood. Them question every custom that had ever caused a wound. Keep the parts that nourish and let justice clear the ground. Branch grow in all directions, but the life beneath is one. Roots hold firm, and still the future must become. Roots hold firm, let the family tree expand. Take compassion, truth and courage into every foreign land. Roots hold firm, but let every branch reach sun. On our way of coming from, while building what must come. Rumba box bounce, saxophone smile, sea travel far, roots remain.
Never shout about the water it keep. You lower the vessel with patience, then wisdom draw. Young girl asks the elder why him plant before the rain. Why him leave one field at rest instead of forcing it again. Him show her how the ants move every treasure from them door. Oh, the evening air grow cooler than the evening was before. Book learning is important, but observation have a place. Creation leave instruction in each pattern and each trace. She write down every lesson, then return to watch once more. Question meet experience, and the wisdom start to draw. Wisdom draw from the deep living well. Listen to the lesson every season come to tell. Wisdom draw, take your time before. Patient understanding give you something worth much more. Elder tell the gathering, age alone don't make me right. Me once reject good counsel and nearly lose me crop one night. Pride make me ignore the clouds and every neighbor's plea, till flood water teach a harder kind of humility. The youth respect him greater when him honestly confess. For a leader hiding failure cannot guide through distress. Mistake become instruction when you open up the door. Truthful self-correction help the people wisdom draw. Wisdom draw, not from pretending you're perfect, but from every consequence you're willing to inspect. Wisdom draw, let humility restore. An honest scar can teach what empty boasting never show.
Craftswoman teach apprentice how fi measure twice and cut. Oh, a hurried little error leave the strongest doorway shut. She never grab the tool away or ridicule him, man. She allow him see the problem till him start to understand. Soon him shape the timber with a steadier design. Learning excellence is patience joined to purpose over time. Knowledge shared with kindness build a lasting corridor. One generation strengthen when the next one wisdom draw. Muted trumpet question, silver flute reply. No single mind possess the whole circumference of sky. Chalice hold the water, but it never owned the source. Wisdom grow through sharing, not through dominance or force. When the village well run low, an argument begin. Every district want assurance that them portion would come in. Young girl, know a woman bring the lesson she retain. Study every household, every animal and brain. Them create a fair rotation, leave provision for the weak. Post the figures openly so every voice can speak. What she learned beside the elder, now protect the village core. Knowledge turn to justice when the people wisdom draw. Wisdom draw from the elder and the youth, from the book and from experience. I'll examine through the truth. Wisdom draw, then share it with the poor. Knowledge serve humanity, or it is wisdom never drawn. Rope rise slowly, water meet light. Pass the vessel onward, plenty more must draw.
Red eye watch the harvest, but never see the years of labor. When truth enter the yard, jealousy off his scatter. Neighborhood cooperative reap a better crop this year. After months of clearing stone and repairing broken gear, every family take a portion, extra food supply the school. Records written openly according to one rule. Still a whisper start traveling, that one man take it all. Passing through the market and around the rum shop wall. Them bring the book and basket, make each calculation matter. Facts walk through the doorway, and the red eyes scatter. Red eyes scatter when the truth come near. Gratitude grows stronger than comparison and fear. Red eyes scatter, make confusion shatter what belong to everyone. No jealousy can capture. One musician hear him brethren get a song up on the air. Bitterness begin to tell him life had treated him unfair. Him almost joined the rumors meant to stay in the singer's name. Then remember both had struggled in the same forgotten lane. Him turn envy into practice, put more patience in him heart. Congratulate him brother with a clean and honest heart. Soon them share a session and the two arrangements fatter. Brotherhood make progress and the red eyes scatter. Red eyes scatter. When another person rise, someone else succeeding, never shrink your own supplies. Red eyes scatter. Let encouragement matter, celebrate the good and watch the jealous feelings scatter. Certain people plant suspicion where relationships stand strong. Add a little fiction every time them pass it on. But the family stop reacting to each unconfirmed report. Ask the source and check the meaning before giving it support. Many tales collapse before them reach another ear. For a rumor cannot flourish where communication clear. Piano strike the rhythm, joyful voices start to chatter. Trust reclaim the old soul, and
when the red eyes scatter. Cowbell ring bright, trombone answer low. Water your own garden and allow yourself to grow. Coveting your neighbor only make your spirit flatter. Give thanks for what you carry, make the red eyes scatter. Hey! Now the people all are gathering whenever harvest land. Every figure read aloud so I can understand. Young and old receive appreciation for them role. Even smallest contribution recognized within the world. Them teach the children early that comparison can blind, and another person's blessing is no theft from humankind. From the feeling to the studio, one principle them gather. Transparency and gratitude make every red eye scatter. Red eye scatter. Let clean intention reign. Turn envy into effort, turn suspicion into pain. Red eye scatter. Unity is what matter. Truth, gratitude and love shall make the red eye scatter. Ah. Hey. Cowbell ring, harvest year fairly. Hey. Red eye gone. Power no need for shout every minute. Before the power move, before the voice rise. Lion breathe. Yeah. Young man, hear an insult at the corner near the store. Every eye turn toward him, waiting for a war. Heat rush through him body, pride command him to react. But him remember strength is also choosing how to act. Him draw one steady breath and let the foolish challenge pass. For a spark of wounded ego can ignite the driest grass. Crowd lose them excitement when no violence them receive. Calm becoming victory when the lion breathe. Lion breathe, slow beneath the strain. Hold your strength with wisdom, never throw it down the drain. Lion breathe before anger deceive. The strongest heart stay conscious when the lion breathe. Argument erupt where two them share a market stall. Each one claim the other cross an unseen boundary wall. People choose a champion and prepare for take a side, while resentment grow much wider than the table could divide. Young man mark the measurements and bring them both to see. Oh, a simple line had shifted accidentally. Them correct the wooden counter and them form a quarrel leave. Reason enter conflict when the lion breathe. Lion breathe, make your judgment fear. Oh, I must protect the peace and give each voice a share. Lion breathe, let no rumor interweave. Truth can settle trouble when the lion breathe. Officer bring pressure, open fear would rule the lane. Demanding information that could put a youth in chain. Young man never threaten and him never bend the fact. He marks for proper process and record the whole contact. Labor stand as witnesses, attentive and composed. They be right them understand and every loophole close. Authority grow careful when the people don't mislead. Courage walk with discipline whenever lion breathe. Bass drum like heartbeat, organ like dawn. Baritone sax carry warning without weapon drawn. Claw remain covered till protection truly needs. Strength serve the vulnerable whenever lion breathe. Years turn him to a leader, but not thrown beneath him share. Him listen to the quiet ones and make the burden fair. When meeting become heated, him allow the room to cool. Never use humiliation as a leadership tool. Him courage build a shelter where the frightened can belong. Impatience keep the movement principled and strong. Not a ruler over people, but a guardian them believe. Community stand safer every time the lion breathe. Lion breathe, let restraint become your crown. If the weak and frightened, never use your strength to press them down. Lion breathe, this is what we shall achieve. Power joined with mercy every time the lion breathe. Oh yeah. Why, Lord. Drum return to heartbeats. Lion remain awake, breathing. Morning reach we again. Not because the road was easy, but because mercy carry we through. Make the praises rise. Sunlight touch the rooftop. Sunlight touch the rooftop after 3 long days of rain. Families step outside to count the loss and clear the drain. One wall fall to pieces, one garden wash away. Still every living neighbor stand together in the day. Carpenter bring hammer, farmer bring a sack of yam. Children fetch clean water while the elders shape the plan. Gratitude grow louder when helping hands arrive. From the middle of the hardship, make the praises rise. Share. Still the people notice water entering everywhere. Hey. Them replace our broken zinc and strengthen every beam. Set a little lantern where the evening once looked dim. She bring out and hold him that her mother used to sing. Hey. Choir catch the melody and make the whole lane ring. No cathedral leaded and no row before them eyes. A repaired and peaceful, oh soul, make the praises rise. Hey, praises rise, not from empty word alone. Put compassion into action, make your gratitude be known. Hey, praises rise, where the lonely recognize them still belong among we. When the praises rise. One chair remain empty, for a brethren passed away, who used to beat the fundy at the closing of the day. Them never hide the sorrow, or pretend no tears should fall. Thankfulness and mourning can exist within us all. Young drummer take the rhythm that the elder leave behind. Play it with respect and add a pattern of in kind. Memory join tomorrow as the old refrain replies. Those who plant good purpose live whenever praises rise. Hey sir, Hammond organ swell, trumpet lift the tune. Hands clap together underneath the afternoon. Praises not escape from every duty life supplies. It is strength to face tomorrow when the praises rise. Yo, now the road stand open. nation see. Them celebrate the progress, but remember what it costs. Keep provision ready so no neighbor will be lost. From survival into service, yeah, the final promise rise. We shall guard one another while the praises rise. Praises rise. Let the bass and trumpet sound. Praises rise. Praises rise. Let compassion travel round. Praises rise. Praises rise. Till every hungry spirit realize gratitude is living love. Oh, make the praises rise.
Every unpaid wage, every buried truth, every promise left rotting. Rise like vapor, see the judgment cloud. Me loan accounting profit while the work account them pain. Roof above the workshop cannot hold another rain. Safety rope them frame, broken ladder never mend. Still him tell the laborer production must extend. Clerk record the warning but him lock it in a drawer. Fear of losing favor make him conscience speak no more. Above the smoking chimney where the evening one stood proud. Every act of negligence build the judgment cloud. Judgment cloud, gather over greed. Every hidden consequence grow from a planted seed. Judgment cloud, heavy like a shroud. Wrong cannot disappear, it join the judgment cloud. Hey, hey, judgment cloud. Minister cut ribbon at a newly painted gate. Camera show the surface while the medicine arrive late. Nurse submit the figures, them reduce what she report. Changing human suffering to a favorable account. Mother walk 3 districts with a feverish child. Passing empty promises, arrange and neatly file. Quiet tears become a miss, no speech can speak above. Neglect rise toward heaven and form the judgment cloud. Judgment cloud, facts them can't erase. Every altered number still belong to someone's face. Judgment cloud, truth shall speak aloud. Records may be hidden but them feed the judgment cloud. Judgment cloud. Clerk return one morning with the documents him save. Knowing silence half a comfort but it make injustice brave. Him bring them to the workers and admit him farm of fear. Open every ledger so the evidence stand clear. Milona face a choice before the reckoning descend. Repair the broken building and make payment to each friend. Confession cannot cancel on but action may be allowed. Change must start in earnest underneath the judgment cloud. Fun the beat slowly, trombone call low. What you refuse to answer follow everywhere you go. Mercy welcome change but deception is not proud. Make your conduct righteous beneath the judgment cloud.
Workers form a council with inspection written plain. Nurse regain the numbers them a try to rearrange. Every public office post the spending we're all see. Every injured family gain a hearing open and free. Cloud remain above them as reminder of the cost. For reform must serve the people who had suffered and been lost. When truth replace concealment and accountability of how justice bring clean water from the heavy judgment cloud. Let no powerful hand forget every debt to human dignity remain a living dead cloud. Till justice answer loud. Change your road before you stand beneath the judgment cloud. Judgment cloud.
Piano tall once, organ tremble, cloud still waiting. What will you choose?
After every cry for justice, after every prayer beneath the pressure, an answer must take form. Zion answer. People search the skyline for a kingdom in the air, while a hungry child sit quietly beside them chair. Them sing about salvation in a distant golden place, yet overlook the suffering reflected in a neighbor's face. Zion start with sharing what your table can provide, standing with the wounded instead of passing to the side. When compassion become action and the weakest find an anchor, heaven touch the roadway. Hear how Zion answer. Zion answer. Through the work of willing hands, through a fair and living justice spreading over every land. Zion answer. Let no selfish spirit conquer. When love become a duty, hear how Zion answer. Farmer asks for rainfall, but him also guard the spring. Plant a row of trees to shade each future living thing. Fisher spare the shallow place where little creatures breed, taking what him family require, never more than need. Children learn creation is no warehouse without end. Every gift them draw from earth require something them must mend. When humanity act as guardian instead of reckless master, rivers sing more clearly. Hear how Zion answer. Zion answer. True respect for silence, through the wisdom of restraint and shared responsibility. Zion answer. Make restoration stronger. When creation find protection, hear how Zion answer. Two traditions meet, and neither one demand a throne. Each bring different knowledge from the road that them have known. One provide the rhythm, one provide the healing word. Both examine prejudice in everything them heard. Unity need honesty, it never mean pretend. That injustice never happen, or that wounds already mend. When them face the past with courage and build equality together, walls lose them foundation. out fi hiding when earthly trouble gather. Build it through your conduct and let Zion answer. Now the school teach history from the people's point of view. Clinic gain provision and the public records true. Elders sit in council with the young beside them chair. Women lead the planning and the harvest portion fair. No perfect land appear, but every voice can help prepare any law or institution that forgets why it is there. From the yard into the nation, righteous purpose travel farther. People change them living, and at last here's Zion answer. Zion answer. Through the truth we organize, through the courage in our spirit and the mercy in our eyes. Zion answer. No one ever after. Justice, love and unity. That is all Zion answer. Hey! Congregation continue. No distant promise. Zion live through action. Zion live through action.
From the first thunder to the final turning wheel, a conscious message never finish when the people make it real. Chalice never done. We hear the choir call before the morning find the lane. See the fire hold its purpose through the pressure and the pain. Steam carry the memory that them history book forgot. Herb stand as a witness for the culture them attack. Thunder want the careless while the roots secure the ground. Wisdom travel quietly without demanding crown. Every song become a footstep underneath the rising sun. The reckoner it's ending, but the chalice never done. The chalice never done. Message travel on from the evening meditation to the duty of the dawn. Chalice never done. Many voices join as one. Tape may reach the ending, but the chalice never done. Held up as the funde to a youth with steady hand. Teach him every rhythm, carry history of the land. Mother share the stories that her mother used to keep. Father show that honest labor make conviction strong and deep. Children add them language, bring a newly fashioned sound. Still them honor every righteous root beneath the ground. Tradition is a river, not a relic hidden from sun. Each generation shape it, and the chalice never done. Chalice never done. Heritage remain, changing with the season, but remembering every name. Chalice never done till the future overcome. Ancestors speak forward, so the chalice never done. Some will sell the image while them empty out the soul. Turn a sacred meditation to a fire
set you on. Purpose, God, the meaning, and the chalice never done. Kitty, funny, bass drum beat the lesson plain.
Meditation without service
is a cloud without rain.
No careless celebration,
No duty left undone.
rise and serve the people.
Make the chalice live on. Now the choir carry voices from the elder to the child. Farmer, nurse and teacher join the harmonies compile. One protect the river, one defend the workers' wage. One preserve the testimony nearly missing from the page. One repair the household, one bring enemies to peace. One plant food for seasons when the present crop decrease. Every righteous action is another song begun. As long as justice breathes,
Chalice never done.
chalice never done.
Let the mighty bassline run.
Chalice never done.
Chalice never done.
Till oppression
Overcome.
chalice never done.
Chalice never done.
Truth outlive everyone, generation after generation.
The chalice never